Lalong lumakas ang team ng Abra mga idol dito sa umpisa ng Game 1 Best of 3 Northern Division Quarterfinals. Kaya nilampasan nila ang team ng Ilagan Isabela. Nagpakawala mga idol ng ilang trees sina Jason Brickman at Mike Ayon. Kaya tara mga idol, ating panoorin ang kanang full game highlights hanggang dulo. Abra Solid North Rivers versus Ilagan Isabela 5-star Cowboys. Pero bago dyan mga idol, paki-like naman, share at subscribe sa ating channel.
And Philbert Tuca, fourth referee is Maynard Centeno.
Tips, steals, they always look for Art de la Cruz in that department.
Ayon launches a free, it's good! Baseline inbound Taiwan. Ildefonso pinasay Ayon, his second straight free to begin this.
By Dave Ildefonso, DI.
Miranda with 5 on the shot clock. Arenal with a one-hander. He will get the friendly bounce.
Wala pang halaga para.
Bounce pass to Dave. Ayon draws closer. One-hander high off the glass. No good. John Oduba cleaning up the glass. Attack si Taiwan. Pinasa sa ilalim. John Oduba with a great rim run. Scores another basket. The switch by Arenal. Dave rising up. Doesn't get the friendly bounce. Offensive rebounds have been deadly for Abra so far. Baseline inbound. Ildefonso sa bandang itaas. Drives right, pulls up. Doesn't get the bounce. Kanina pa yung offensive rebounds. It has resulted to second chance points. Steal, Ayon. Nice challenge by Miranda, but it does not matter. Ayon.
That's when you start switching over to man. And a lot of teams actually have done that hybrid zone-to-man setup.
With 8 on their shot clock, Makoy Marcos straight away free. He banks it in.
I himself can't believe.
Mendoza passes it to Jason Brickman, who takes the free and makes it.
Well, he's a young player that can actually have a lot more experience to gain with his stint.
Makes up for those 2 points. Serrano realizes that. He fires from 30 feet. Had a good line, but just off the mark.
Number 11 for bench points, to which they get 43 points per game. The second one being number 13, 3-point attempts.
Grabe.
Ibang klase.
Coco Pingoy, tumingin pa sa bench ng Abra after hitting
ma-pick up, kailangan nating i-improve. And I'm sure si Coach Louis is already on that para dito sa Ilagan Cowboys.
Alfred Patino losing his size advantage.
My goodness, ang dami.
Cholo Mendoza, diretso for 2 points. Missing badly on that free. Serrano will give it up to Cholo Mendoza, who recalibrates and drills in the free.
I was actually, but then again, they forgot about the trailer guy in that step in 3, which happens to be Mendoza, and really just took it with very little resistance from Coco.
Serrano bumangga. That will count. It does. Brickman the board. CJ Austria. Binalik kay Jason Brickman. Brickman still with the basketball. Gives it up to Cholo Mendoza. High arcing free. Nothing but net on that one. Tatakbo ditong Abra. Nice pass. Brickman to a striding Dave Ildefonso. Lays it up in it. Grabbing the defensive rebound. Ayon sets his feet. Gives it up to Jason Brickman.
Oh,
scores his second free.
Book it. That's second time in the first game in the playoffs.
Mike Ayon.
Oh.
All net on that 3-point shot. That was halfway down.
That was a good look though.
Ayon. Pinalik kay Dave. Pinagpak. 7 seconds left on her shot clock. Pingoy. Bola na tapik at tuluyan na agaw ni Wilken Lee. Counter steal though by Coco Pingoy, who goes straight to the cup for 2 points.
Effort talaga ang kail.
Was a bit surprised there, but with the luxury you have,
that's been used here. CJ.
Buraga sa 3. Wala. Gonzalez to beat the buzzer. Just to up north dito po sa Banggit Abra. Ildefonso drills in a free.
To go to it can create that finish.
Marquis, pupukol sa labas. 2 more points for the Oduba has been a menace on the boards. Ildefonso keeping that streak of scoring in double figures alive with 10.
Catch up. And true enough, in situations ng mga laban na ganito, na makakatapat ka ng malakas na team, effort ang hindi pwedeng tawaran. Higa nga pa
Separating these two squads. Ildefonso.
And we're still in the third quarter.
Alan Santos burying that 3 from the left corner. And dealing with this firepower Abra has. J-Boy Solis. Second 3 of the game.
Got a chance to get into the play-ins and hopefully in the playoffs, but they also know the kind of team that they will go up against when they first. You do understand na maganda rin yung mga schemes at saka mold ng mga players of the San Juan Knights of every team was done. In sa early games nila, as you see a 3 right there by TH Tumalit.
Jolo Mendoza. Gonzalez pasa palabas kay Brinkman. He fires and scores from downtown.
When he took that shot, he beat 4 of 6 from beyond. Mike Ayon.
Brinkman throws it away. Coco Pingoy. TH Tumalit with the rebound. Dishes it out to Sean Bautista with 5 points. Ayon for 3. He gets the friendly bounce. And it's been that kind of a night for the Ab. The grueling schedule the past week. But if they want, they need to do here in preparing for that upcoming match against Abra.
Well, sometimes you really just have to look internally and do whatever it is the best that you can do against a powerhouse team in the Abra Weavers. Commit lesser mistakes, that's one.
The win here in game number 1.
Alam mo kung ano rin nagpahirap para dito sa Ilagan Cowboys. That's why you really yung Weavers. Pero ang hirap talaga ng pinagdaanan nila. Yung biyahe, yung laban, that try to stay and stay alive in the play-ins. Only to gain that it's pretty evident that the effort really is there for the Ilagan Cowboys. And I thought, even on that loss against the Rice Vanguards, they might have been outscored, pero definitely.
They're the number 1 team for a reason. Wilkin Lee, skies high for the rebound. It puts it back in.
And pagpasok dito sa pangalawang season ni Wilkin Lee, kita mo yung improvements, lalo na on field goal shooting. And the coaching staff said they're already looking at certain teams and scouting them. And that really is just understanding. Oo. Kaya walang kaduda-duda katulad nito TH Tumalit.
And we're just awaiting for the final score here. Redel Fabro buries a 3.
And what you like about the Weavers?
They will have to regroup in game number 2. That's gonna happen in Caloocan. As Buraga connects in their own series, while Abra